ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to introduce you to the wonderful and versatile herb, thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Thyme is renowned for its impressive antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. It has been traditionally used to treat respiratory issues and digestive problems, and it's a staple in culinary applications for its delightful flavor. This herb requires moderate watering, typically once a week, ensuring the soil is kept moist but not waterlogged. Thyme thrives in warm, sunny climates, making spring the ideal time to plant it. For optimal growth, thyme should receive full sunlight, approximately 6 to 8 hours daily. Harvesting thyme is simple, as you can pick the leaves as needed throughout the growing season. The plant prefers well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 8.0, providing the perfect conditions for it to flourish. In addition to its culinary uses, thyme has several medicinal benefits. It is known to alleviate coughs, boost the immune system, and improve digestion. Its essential oils are often used in natural remedies to combat infections and soothe inflammation. Discover the power of nature with our premium thyme, your go-to herb for flavor, wellness, and vibrant health. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.